Welcome back to the Caribou Data Science channel. It's Monday, November 23rd, 2020. And before we get started, that's a small request for you to make, and that is that you click on the description below and then click on the link where it says buy me a coffee and buy me a coffee. Okay? Now, anyways, I'm getting ready to update my database here. I'll update the database and also do a quick verification of the data. So let's get started as we always do with the European Centers for Disease Prevention and Control's database. Let's make sure we don't have one back up here. And we do. There we go. All right. So let's download this. Close this. Okay. Continue downloading. Close this. Okay. Let's come back over here now. And let's get rid of this. Country codes. And this. Let's move I don't know why I moved the population for. Doesn't really do anything. Okay, so this takes care of the first portion of the data set. One down, two to go. Let's see. Okay, let's come back over here now. Let's see. New York Times data, including fudge New York numbers. Okay, So now let's open up our studio in R. Let's come back over here. Okay, let's start back over here. Now this updates both the New York Times and the European Center for Disease Prevention and Control tables. Now let's update the New York, the John Hopkins data. Okay, let's come back down here someplace. We need to alter a date here. Here we go. 23. I'm sorry, 22 and 22. This creates the two John Hopkins daily tables, one for U.S. cases and one for U.S. deaths, uh, at daily numbers as opposed to cumulative numbers. It also plots the three main sources we can compare and see how close they are together. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, and you can see there is a little bit of differences here. This is 39,762, 40,240, and 40,153. The average deaths 951, 953, and 958. Okay. It would appear that we are approaching, on average, about 20 million cases. And as you can see here, there isn't really a lot of problems with this here. They got this minor thing there. Let's take a look at deaths now. Okay, you can see deaths are climbing up. They're back to here now. Okay, I haven't caught this number here. And once again, they're up to here. And again, so they both basically show the same numbers. The only difference is this spike right here, and you'll see it in just one moment. And there this spike is. Okay, not sure why that is, but I'm not sure it really throws off anything too much. And there's a little difference right there also. You can see here, they both show this number right there, which is sort of interesting, which is June 26th. Okay. This shows the three lowest function curves on top of each other. You can see there is some difference. There's a little difference up here as the red, then this number down here, John Hopkins, dips below the numbers there. This is a 7-day moving, a 20-day moving average for cases. Let's try something here just for the fun of it. Let's see something here. So let's do this here also. Okay, let's do this. Let's create a second moving average. 3 and death. AA is not found. This. Let's run this. Let's run this. Let's run this. Let's see something here. Three sources. Oh, I don't need that. Don't know where that came from. Okay. 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 Let's run this one more time from the top again, just to check the last two numbers. Okay. So you can see this is a 28-day. Okay. Moving average. The 28-day brings us back down below here. All right. Okay. So this takes care of John Hopkins for this portion of the this portion of the reports. The database is updated, and now it's time to move on to my daily reports.